Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make Karachi's most famous Matka Falooda. Please follow full recipe. 1 packet of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of boiled colorful vermicelli. This is also made with white vermicelli, but we have used colorful vermicelli. This is beautiful. Look. Mix well. Rooh afzah 3 tablespoons. Green and red jelly will be stored at room temperature. Now cut it and add it to it. Food street style Falooda, which is very popular. Enjoy it today. Matka Falooda. Soak the basil seed well and then use it. Condense milk. Wash the pot thoroughly to remove any dirt and gravel, then add the ingredients to it. Add the vermicelli milk. This Matka Falooda is for 2 to 3 people. Add basil seed. Add kulfa ice cream. If you like our channel's recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our channel. Add green jelly. Add red jelly. Again, vermicelli milk edel. Wafer biscuits. Add ice cream and basil seed. Chocolate roll. Add room afzah drink and condensed milk. Add. Thank you for watching.